Hello friends, today we are replacing our sports shock kit for the bus generation Camry. Now we have started to install the car. Let's look at the effect after installation. Now the front shocks have been removed. We can see the overall travel of the front shocks of the Camry VE. It should be lowered by 3 centimeters. Its front shock contains all the connecting parts, including the tower top, bearings. It is already assembled state. We just need to take off the original car and put it on. The rear wheel springs are now removed. Let's compare the original springs and EDDYSTAR springs. They have the same number of dense coils, but their height can be seen obviously shortened. The EDDYSTAR spring maintains its original dense coil factor to ensure comfort and support. Then it reduces the overall travel to achieve the purpose of lowering the body. Well, this Camry has been upgraded to complete. After the lowering of the entire body, it is the head of the front 2 fingers and the back 2 fingers. The posture has been completely lowered. Meanwhile, it is designed to follow the original data logic completely to ensure its comfort.